Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2025 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the classic light blue gel coat with chrome graphics, light rub rail with stainless steel insert. Love this color combination. We do it very often. Looks great on the water. Got a nice Carolina bow flare up front. Keeps that spray down and out. Very dry, smooth, rock solid ride as you'd expect from Boston Whaler. Coming back around to the transom before we hop inside. Atlas jack plate, Lenco trim tabs, indicators and switching up at the dash. 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. And now we'll hop inside the boat. So here in the cockpit on Boston Whaler's 250 Dauntless, got plenty of real estate to walk around back here, maneuver about the transom. We do have a reboarding ladder on the starboard side. Access to the boat's batteries are also beneath these lids, and you'll notice they're angled away from the engine for some added safety. We do have a live well in the center, and then these actually conceal the stern seats for the boat, which snap in and are magnetized in place. The backrest just raise up. So when you want to convert to either fishing or cruising, you can easily do so. This boat is powered by a V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated Mercury Verado with power steering. Coming up to the leaning post, nice big oversized leaning post with big, thick, comfortable bolster cushions, armrests that fold up and down. So it's a comfortable boat to either sit in or lean against, whether you're driving or the observer. You've got an angled footrest, two of them actually. So there's not a position you can be in that's uncomfortable on this boat. Stainless steel steering wheel is on a tilt base. You've got a 12-inch Simrad touchscreen, Mercury Vessel View display, JL audio sound system on board, glove box with charging ports, jack plate, and trim tabs with LED indicators. We do have a induction style charging spot here, along with some more charging ports and some nod skid to keep your phones, wallets, and keys from sliding around. On the underside, we have the blue gel coat that matches the hull, overhead light, a little net area to store life jackets or throwable, rocket launcher style rod holders along the back of the hardtop, and a ski tow bit as well. Head area is accessed on the starboard side. This is a pump out head, plenty of room for storage. Battery box is already in place as this boat is wired for a trolling motor. Coming up to the bow, everybody loves the big chase lounge. On all of the Dauntless models, you can easily seat a couple of adults, parent or a child, and then you've got a ton of deep storage beneath. You can see how far down that goes, all the way up to my hip almost. We do have the bow sunshade, which is what you see here. So that connects up to these stainless eyelets beneath the hardtop. Shade extends out, drops into some canvas, which go into those stanchions in the foredeck area. Here we got the headrest in the down position, creates a nice sun pad area. You can easily bring those headrests up, and now you've got plenty of space to stretch out facing forward with easy access to your cup holders and your grab rails for safety. And these just retract down nice and easy. You've got a fish box or cooler box style storage here. Anchor lockers beneath this cushion. And there's also a table which stows away nicely under the chase lounge lid. And that is a walkthrough of our Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.